The saving goal. I need to save $300 for a new laptop.
Okay. How much money do you have now?
I have $80 in my savings jar.
Good start. How much can you save each week?
Maybe $30, but I spend too much on food.
Then we need a food plan.
And no coffee from the cafe every day.
Yes. Make coffee at home.
Can you help me shop today?
Sure. First, let's write a short list.
Only things I need.
Right. Need, not want.
At the supermarket.
Your list says rice, eggs, apples, and pasta.
Yes. No chips and no soda.
This big bag of rice is cheaper.
But it costs more today.
True, but it lasts longer.
Okay, let's buy the big bag. These apples look nice.
The red ones are on sale.
Great. I will take 4.
Do you need cookies?
No. I want them, but I don't need them.
Good choice. Your laptop says thank you.
That helps. I will not buy cookies.
Let's go to the checkout before we change our minds.
Lunch from home. I almost bought a sandwich at the cafe.
But you brought lunch. Nice.
Yes. Pasta from last night.
How much did you save?
Maybe $8.
$8 is a lot in one day.
I also made coffee at home.
So maybe $12 saved today.
That feels good.
Put it in your savings jar tonight.
I will, but I still want dessert.
Eat your apple. It is dessert today.
The tempting sale. Oh no, that sweater is beautiful.
Do you need a new sweater?
No, but it is half price.
Half price is still money.
You are right. I have 3 sweaters at home.
Think about your laptop.
The laptop is more important.
We can walk away now.
Wait, let me take one deep breath.
Okay. I am listening.
I want it, but I will not buy it.
Great. That is real saving.
Let's go home before I look again. Counting the savings.
Let's count this week's savings.
I saved $12 on Monday.
And $10 at the supermarket.
And I did not buy the sweater.
That saved $25.
So I saved $47 this week.
Now you have $127.
I am closer to my laptop.
What is the plan for next week?
Cook at home, bring lunch, and avoid sales.
That sounds simple and strong.
Thank you for helping me.
You did the hard part.
Next week, we save more.